everybody, Volt Life-Proof Grooming has a medium viscosity beard oil, and I want to tell you what that means for you. But first, quick introduction. My name is Dancy Bearded. I'm coming to you today from the Volt Life-Proof Grooming's YouTube channel. I get the privilege of being able to help them create content to get word out about their company and their great products, but also just some general grooming and lifestyle tips and tricks that could help you guys out there. So if that sounds good to you, hit that thumbs up on this video and consider subscribing. I'm not the only content creator on this channel. There's other great ones with different styles, different shapes, sizes of beards, and also so many other tips beyond just beard care. So let's get to the topic here. Medium viscosity. Essentially that means, to me, this is a medium thickness oil. There are thin oils, there are thick oils. This one falls right in the middle. Now, a lot of this comes down to your personal preference. It comes down to the type of skin and hair you have. It comes down to if you want a well-balanced rotation. But I will say, as someone who has tried hundreds and hundreds of different beard oils and has heard from thousands of people and their feedback on beard oils, medium viscosity is the one across the board that seems to work for everybody. There are some people that prefer thick beard oils and they want to get that for their beard. There's people that prefer thin beard oils, and I've heard the opposite on both of those. A lot of people say, I can't use thick, it's too sticky, I don't like it. And then other people say it's too thin, it absorbs too fast, it doesn't work on my beard. I have never heard someone complain about a medium viscosity oil, and I sure as heck have never heard anybody complain about the beard oil from Volt Life-Proof Grooming. So, if you're on the fence, if you're thinking about trying products, a medium viscosity is a really good place to start. And then if you want to dial preferences in from there, there's different ways you can go about that. And for example, if you're like, I really like this, but I want it to be thicker, a nice little trick, a nice little hack is you can get your own castor oil and add a little bit of castor oil into it. Or if you're like, I want this to be thinner, you can get your own grapeseed oil and add a little bit of grapeseed oil. So you can adjust your favorite oils out there, you guys, but medium is a wonderful place to start. I know that my beard loves the way it feels, and especially the way that my beard styles. So, question for you guys to get engaged down in the comments below. What viscosity or thickness of oil do you prefer? And if you have tried the Volt Life-Proof Grooming's lube, aka beard oil, drop a comment and let us know your thoughts. And be honest, is it the best you've ever tried? Is it really good? Was it not for you? Give that genuine feedback. I promise this company listens and they want to hear what you guys have to say. So thank you guys for watching today. One more time, I am with Volt Life-Proof Grooming on their YouTube channel today. We appreciate you guys. I'll see you on the next video.